Hi guys, it's Connor with CIRAS Airsoft, and me and Sika ordered a joint deal off of e-bike, and we got our package today. We ordered this on Sunday, and it came from California to Montana in 3 days. It was here last night, so it's like technically the 3-day shipping. So if you live in Montana, don't waste your money on that 3-day shipping crap, because it'll still get here within that day. And we thought we'd make another unboxing video. So, stuff. Don't care about that. Back order crap mostly. Oh wow. None of the flags are in stock. That's wonderful. And stuff. Sika's vest. The Metal Gear CIRAS high-speed setup doohickey Malager blogger whatever. My Condor fast draw. Sika's vintage Chamog, also in black and white. His SWAT cap for American flag is not here. Decepticon patch. Decepticon patch. Decepticon patch. Decepticon patch. You didn't get that. There are 4 Decepticon patches. My tan and black Chamog. And my super awesome Condor, or Matrix Condor, whatever rig thing, I'm actually just holding it. I'm kind of surprised at the amazingness of this thing so far. That's awesome. Yeah, but that's the unboxing video. Just thought we'd do that real quick.